It's February 2026. If your team is still routing approvals manually or reconciling spreadsheets, you're already behind. AI automation isn't experimental anymore. Agentic AI Workflows 2026 are live in production across U.S. businesses. This isn't basic automation. Agentic AI receives a goal, breaks it into steps using agentic reasoning, calls tools, self-corrects, and delivers results. From AI agent workflow automation in sales to multi-agent AI coding workflows, shipping features 4 times faster. This is next-level AI automation. In California, SaaS teams, inbound sales orchestration runs in 4 minutes instead of 2 days. In Texas, logistics firms, invoice automation cuts finance workload by 40%. N8NA. iAgent workflow systems are saving mid-size shippers up to $25,000 per month. This is AI Workflow Automation 2026 in action. The companies winning in 2026 treat agents like digital employees, not tools. AI automation is becoming the execution layer of modern business. The question isn't if you'll adopt it, it's whether you'll lead or play catch-up.